So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Kasorey S6. This is a multi-screen setup for your laptop. It's going to give you some really cool abilities, from going from 3 monitors instead of your normal one to having them either be landscape and portrait mode or both portrait mode. A lot of really cool options. Let's open up the box and let's see what comes inside. So off the bat, it's very well packed. We've got a really nice bag here for storage. That's cool. We've got an instruction guide, a user guide. I'm guessing this is probably a warranty guide. Oh, this is just scenarios, connection scenarios. It's nice. And then we have some additional accessories and power cords. These are your USB to USB-Cs. These are your USB-Cs to USB-Cs. And this is another, oh, this I think is HDMI to USB-C. Interesting. Okay, and that is it for the box. I do like this custom cutout box to hold all the pieces. It's very nice. Very cool. Inside the bag here, we have the rest of the parts. So this stand actually has multiple setups. You can see here there's a kickstand on the back of it. It doesn't actually clamp on to your computer, which I think is actually really cool, because a lot of other computers, they put so much weight on that hinge. And it's just a little bit too much for my feelings. My lightweight laptop's working that way. So you can take this bad boy and you can match the angle of your laptop's opening with this arm piece here on the back. And then these pieces here extend out to the type of screen that you currently are using. And then you can take the monitors, starting of course with your left, and you can install it onto the piece here, and then that will sit there. Now you can also turn it to make it the portrait mode. How cool is that? Same thing with the right. It's over here. You slide that into that piece there, and you can again just rotate that so it fits directly in there, and you can have your laptop in between, and that way you can use this for spreadsheets. You can use them for different types of art pieces, multiple tools, things like that. Very, very helpful, very cool. Your laptop in the middle, and it does extend quite a bit, so you're getting some good length on that. But yeah, that's awesome. Now, that's not the only way this can be used though. Let me show you the next way you can set this up. Pull that one off there. Pull that one off there. Now, if you were to take this unit here and leave it on its bottom, actually like this, you will be able to manipulate these pieces here to give you the type of screen mounting that you might want if you're not using this as an extension to your monitors, maybe a side-by-side monitor. Maybe you don't have a lot of desk space, or maybe you're trying to do something a little bit more unique. So a really cool one is you can have a presentation for the people around you at the table. Mounting them in a pyramid-like shape, people on this side and people on that side will get to see the images that you're putting up here on this. That is so cool. I think that's so awesome. Another cool way you can do this is they give you an extension, which is this piece here. Which you can install onto this piece, and then you can install this piece onto this. Let's go our way. And now You can set this up as a presentation on the bottom, a presentation on the top, or I mean, you can do this way, vertically this way and horizontally this way, or you can take this piece you can actually rest them like this and have two monitors right on top of each other for this profile here. It's really cool, and I love the way that you can modify and adjust these to match that, which is just so awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, we're going to take all the things off, we're going to show you what they look like actually in use, and we'll be right back. So with this model here, I just want to talk about this real quick. Your power on and off button is going to be right here on the bottom of this section here, right next to your Type-C to Type-C 1 and USB-C with direct power option right there. That is really good options here on there just so you can see them in there. But the really cool thing though about this whole case is you can put your power cords and all the accessories in this little pouch here, take them on the go with the station, back plate, and the monitors all in one box, good to go. And that way this can go in your laptop bag, or you can carry this easily with you to your workspaces that you're going to be going to. So that way if you're working in the office or working from home, you have these options available. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you like this. Hope to pick this one up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.